want to buy from Informal Formals, but you don't know how to tie the freestyle? No problem. Allow me to demonstrate.
Start. The right end is shorter than the left. 1. The long end is crossed over the short. 2. The long end is wrapped around the short end once. 3. The short end is looped. 4. The long end is draped in front of the looped short end. 5. The long end is now looped. 6. The looped long end is pushed through a back loop that has formed behind the looped short end. 7. The loops are equalized by tightening them at their bases, not at their flat ends. Finish. The necktie has been tied in a bow knot. Yes, that is what it's called, the bow knot. 1 by 1 is a bit too slow to see all the steps in action. So let's crank up the speed a trifle, shall we? Watch! And voila! Here we are, all